couple more things I want to talk about, chat. And that's the only thing about the whole things with VYBZ Kartel. Because apparently, VYBZ Kartel, according to VYBZ Kartel lawyer, it's like they prepare to file expedited appeal in February. As you may say, apparently, apparently his appeal was granted. But we can check it out and see what one. You see me? But only thing about that, you see me? I say, only thing about the whole situation with VYBZ Kartel, the teacher, like I've been, about time them free up the man. Only thing say about time them free up Kartel. You don't think he's ever getting free? You think he's ever getting out? Look at, according to Caribbean News Weekly, shout out to Caribbean News Weekly. You see me? They be having some really good articles and stuff on music and overall just overall news. You see me? Entertainment, sports, legal, travel, business. They got some good articles over there, so y'all want to check it out if you live in the Caribbean or you overseas and still want to know what's going on in the Caribbean. Definitely want to check them out. But yeah, man, what do you think about VYBZ Kartel situation? If it's a time, then free up the real boss. You see me? I say, because the way the trial went and the lack of evidence, it's hard to still have a man but locked down so long. You see me? I say, and VYBZ Kartel been trying everything in the books, man. You see me? Everything in the books for free up and start to worse, man, sick on them thing there. You see me? But look like he's finally got some good news and there's a little ray of hope in him case, because according to this article, VYBZ Kartel lawyers prepared for expedited appeal hearing in February 2024. You see me? So that sounds good. Sound like Gidog might have you see me, might finally get his hearing in 2024, which is definitely a good look. You see me, that I've been trying forever. This article came out on October 26th. It's like 2 days ago. But according to the article, you see me, the 9-member team of lawyers represented incarcerated dancehall artist VYBZ Kartel is well prepared for his expedited appeal here in February 2024. That is according to Jamaican attorney at law Bert Samuels. It says the DJ's appeal was initially to be heard in the United Kingdom Privy Council in April next year, but was expedited to February 14 or 15, 2020 due to artist's health concerns. Earlier this year, attorney E.S. Buchanan confirmed that this 47-year-old client was suffering from Graves' disease, an autoimmune disorder which has been battling for 7 years, and there have also been reports of entertainer suffering from 2 heart conditions. It says Samuel said though the appeal hearing date has been moved up, team lawyers including 4 from overseas are well prepared. Prison is not a nice place, especially when you have health issues. Kartel has to have a special diet. He can't even eat everything, and being in lockdown for hours on end only makes it worse. I am happy to know that it has been granted, and yes, we are prepared, Samuels told the Star. Samuel said he is not surprised that the request for a new date was granted, as humanitarian grounds are always attractive. The hearing will also will be to appeal the 2014 murder conviction of dancehall artist and his co-convicts Sean Storm Campbell, Kahir Jones, and Andre St. John. It says Palmer, Campbell, Jones, and St. John were handed life sentences in April 2014 for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Prosecutors said the murder took place at Palmer's house in Heavendale, St. Andrew. In April 2020, 2 years after the Court of Appeal in Jamaica upheld Palmer's murder conviction, his legal team took the decision to appeal to the island's highest court, the Privy Council. The DJ, who has been in prison since 2011, had 2.5 years shaved off his sentence and must serve at least 32 years and 6 months instead of 35 years minimum before being eligible for parole. If the upcoming appeal is dismissed, VYBZ Kartel will be eligible for parole in the year 2046. Now that's crazy. You see me, I say. But it's also a ray of hope and a good look according to, you know what I'm saying, under the artist's case. You see me, I say his appeal has been granted. You see me, so he's which I expedited one. He was scheduled for April, but it's been expedited to February. So that's a good 3 months earlier, you see me, which is a good look. Considering his health condition, you see me, he's suffering from grave disease. You see me, them say it's an autoimmune disorder. You see me, and he has heart problems as well. So it's a good thing, man. Him appeal. It's a good thing to hear that they did expedite his appeal. You know what I'm saying? And it's appeal hearing, and hopefully everything go good. You see me, I say, cause based on all trials and everything went. You see me, in Jamaica, man. You know what I'm saying? It's not really fair if you have a man lock up this long. You see me, I say. And in my opinion, I just feel like say the people in my yard just messed up on this man case, bro. You see me? I wouldn't be surprised if Cartel win him appeal, you see me, and him get free. You see me, I say? In my opinion, I feel like they messed up on Cartel case. Like tampering evidence and all these things. You see me? Come on. From that happening, the whole case should I get thrown out. You see me? There's no way hell they have this man locked up. You see me? I think the original plan when they have, them know so they mess up, them like hold him for a couple of years. And then, you know what I'm saying? And then try to release him. But then, things just get worse and worse and worse. You see me, I say? I know they can't even go back because, yo, I know they don't want VYBZ Kartel to get free. You see me? Because if the man go win him appeal and thing, I know the man, party probably try to sue them. You see me? I say, problem mine. You see me? I know enough of them want Kartel dead in jail, bro. You see me? Enough of them probably want Kartel dead in jail. Because it take up so much years off of a man's life. Something where man probably not do. You see me? But we don't know. We'll see how the dog them appeal the thing in how him appeal here and go. You see me, see what evidence they bring forth. You see me, I say. And yo, they definitely gonna take in consideration today, the Jamaica police force tries tampering in evidence and all them thing there, bro. That's all grounds to get all this dash out. So for the America, this man was like, man, if man was getting tried in America, it's a different story, bro. You see me, Cartel, I probably bust out this case long time. But we have to keep an eye upon this one. So I'm to a teacher. You see me, I say, but my opinion, man, they messed up. You see me? They messed up big time upon Cartel case. I feel a lot of people gonna be surprised of what happens and how it turns out. Maybe I'm surprised, maybe I'm wrong. You see me? But yeah, man. Yeah, dog. It's about time them free up, dog. You see me, I say. Because they didn't have no concrete evidence really that the man actually did anything, and it'd be a speculation, and we're, you know what I'm saying? So let's see what happens, man. So shout out to VYBZ Kartel. As me free the world boss. As me shout out to him, man. Praise and see what I go on for that case. As me I say. Yeah, man. On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.